Good Sunday, everyone. Even though we didn't have a 6 o'clock show, it's still time for your Sunday Science Tidbit, and this week we're going to talk about why some clouds have flat bottoms. So you've probably all seen cumulus clouds before. You know, the ones that look like cotton balls and cauliflower. They're puffy at the top of the cloud thanks to rising air. But did you know that most clouds have flat bottoms? Sometimes it shows up pretty well, but why? There's an invisible layer in the air where clouds sit. Okay, well, they don't necessarily sit there, but it's where they begin to form. This layer is known as a lifted condensation level, or LCL in weather lingo. They call it the elliptic condensation level because it's a level in the atmosphere where you can lift a parcel of air and condense it. See, it's not so scary. At the LCL, the layer becomes saturated, meaning the dew point temperature and the air temperature are equal, giving us 100% humidity, and you start to see little cloud droplets. Think about a thin piece of paper in the sky. Any air pocket that's able to rise above that level will become a cloud. It's a big deal for polyparcel. And just like that piece of paper, the LCL is able to bend and move. This means that invisible layer is not always flat in the sky. And one example of that is during a thunderstorm. Here's a viewer picture of low-hanging clouds. We call this Scud. Now, basically, the LCL is lower at that point in the atmosphere. Scud can look scary and can resemble the shape of a tornado, but no worries, Scud is completely harmless. The LCL is important knowledge for meteorologists because it lets us know how low the cloud deck can be in the sky, and it's also important when forecasting, especially for severe weather.